So once you're set to go, you can start creating your shapes. In this tutorial, we're just going to do some basic shapes. I'm going to zoom in because my square is fairly small, and I'm going to grab my ellipse tool. I'm just going to draw a circle somewhere on this document. I'm going to change the color for the time being so I know what I'm working with. And I'm going to put this in the square select. All right, so we have this shape, and what we need to do is cut it out of the black square. What you're going to do is select both of them, find your Pathfinder palette. If it's not open, go to Window, Pathfinder. There it is. And you're going to click the divide function. Now, once you click divide, if you try to select your pink circle, it selects everything. So the very next step you have to do is go to Object, Ungroup. Now you can select your black square separate from your pink circle. Once you do that, you need to flip this circle outside here so that it's a mirror image of what's going on. And you're going to create a punch. You'll see if I move this of where that circle once was. So the best way to do this is to grab your reflect tool. Right now, what's visible is your rotation tool. Click and hold down, grab your reflect tool, zoom in, and holding down your option key, you can move the center point of where the reflection will be and bring it to the edge of your black square. Release, and you'll have this dialog box show up. You can flip it horizontally, which does nothing. Flip it vertically, or you can even flip it at an angle. We're going to flip ours vertically and click OK. So far, so good. Let's do another one. I'm going to draw another shape, star, in our black square. I'm going to select the both of them. I'm going to use the Pathfinder divide function. I'm going to go to Object, Ungroup, and I'm going to deselect everything. Just going to click in the white space. Now I'm going to click on my star. I'm going to select my reflect tool.
Hold down Option, bring the center point of the reflection to the edge of the black square. And now I'm going to change it to a horizontal reflection. Click OK. Then this is all you have to do.